welcome to my channel. I am Dipali, and those who have come for the very first time, then let me tell you that my channel is about positivity and knowledge. So please watch the whole video, and if you will like it, please click the subscribe button. All right. So let's begin our today's video. Guys, today's video is about that if your mind goes blank while speaking in English, then what you can do, okay, to improve that, okay, to improve your English speaking skills. So without wasting any time, let's start. So guys, the reason can be any why your mind goes blank, why you hesitate while speaking in English. You hesitate because your mother tongue, your first language is not English, okay. It can be a reason, and it's all right, okay. Second reason can be that you don't have good knowledge of the topic on which you are conversing with the other person, okay. So if you don't have a good knowledge, obviously you cannot speak, okay. You cannot speak in Hindi also, or in your first language also, if you don't have a good knowledge. Also, also the fear of embarrassment is there, okay. You think that, okay, maybe what the other person think if I will speak in English, what he or she will think if I will commit any mistake, okay. So that is why also you are not that much comfortable in speaking in English. And also the other reason can be social anxiety also, okay. You don't like to socialize with others, okay. Fear of embarrassment, and so many reasons can be there, okay. You are an introvert, so that is why your communication skills are not that good. That is why also you don't speak that much in English, or you are not, I mean, comfortable. The another reason can be lack of vocab, okay. So if you are short of words, obviously you cannot speak in English, okay. So these are the things, but it's all right, guys, it's all right, but start speaking in English. My main focus is that start speaking in English. Why I'm focusing on this? Because it's very important to know English nowadays, okay. Because if you will improve your English speaking skills, so many benefits you will get after that. So without wasting any time, let's start. So my first tip is that what you can do is practice yourself, okay. Practice yourself means what? That you can stand in front of a mirror, shut the door, stand in front of a mirror, and start speaking, okay. Start speaking in English on any topic, on your surroundings also. This thing I have mentioned in my other video also, about how to enjoy your own company. I have mentioned this thing, that what you can do is that you can stand in front of a mirror and you can speak, okay. You can speak on any topic, all right. You can you can speak about the surroundings, about your favorite actor or actress, your favorite friend, or any topic, okay. The second thing which you can do is that put on the earphones and play a song and start speaking, and start speaking in English on any topic, and start recording that, okay. Don't listen whatever you are speaking, and you will not be able to listen, because earphones will be there in your ears. So start listening the songs and start speaking, okay. And after that, after recording, you can listen that, and you will feel confident after that, for sure. This is a proven technique, guys, and this will help you for sure. I have also experienced this, and I have done this, and this is very helpful technique, all right. The third technique is start giving compliments in English. If you are complimenting the other person, compliment him or her in English rather than using your first language, okay. This will also help you out, because start from the basic sentences. Also you can do, like, for example, यह bottle है, ये bottle है. You know, you can speak, this is a bottle, okay. So rather speaking in Hindi, you can speak in English. Start from the very basic sentences. This will help you out for sure. The another technique, guys, is that watch out movies, okay. Watch movies, and English movies on Netflix or any other medium. from any other medium. And what you can do is just repeat the subtitles. Okay, if the actor is speaking any dialogue, just pause that after speaking, just pause that and just repeat that. Okay, just say it on your own, in your own style. This will, help you out in coming out from your shell. Okay, so you can speak that. This will help you out in speaking fluently, to be comfortable in speaking in English. Okay, you know what, many people know English but they are not very much comfortable. They are not very much comfortable in the fluency is not there. They know English very well but they are not fluent. Okay, so it's all right. Even if you commit any mistakes, it's all right, but start speaking. Okay, the another tip is start it from today. Okay, and also practice regularly. Okay, just make a daily routine and just add it in your daily routine, and start speaking. Start taking out some time for English speaking, and start speaking. And even if words are not coming in your mind, that's all right, but you can search that word on Google or in your dictionary, and then you can speak. Okay, but start speaking. Okay, even if you are committing mistakes, it's all right. If you are conversing with the other person and you are scared about judgment, then let me tell you guys, the other person is also not genius, is also not perfect. Okay, so it's all right. Even I am not genius, you are not genius, nobody is genius, nobody is perfect. I have also struggled a lot, and but these steps have helped me a lot, and that is why I thought I should share this with you all. Okay, the another tip is, guys, don't use very fancy words. Don't run behind typical vocab, very big words, using very big words. It's all right if you know the basic vocab also. If you want to speak in English, okay, you should know some very basic vocab. All right, so very decent English, if you want to speak, you should know some basic vocabulary, and that's all right. Later on, you can learn some fancy words also. If you know in advance, well and good. If you don't, it's all right. But start speaking with the very basic words, okay? So, these are the very simple tips, guys. I hope you will, execute these tips in your daily routine, and it will help you out for sure in improving your English speaking skills. Okay? So, guys, if you have liked my video, tell me in the comment section, and after using these tips in your daily routine, if these steps have helped you, then also you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, and keep loving me and keep supporting me, because your support gives me so much of motivation. All right, so thank you so much, guys. Bye bye, take care. Bye.